Using a 4-cylinder pneumatic system as the power source, 2 cylinders are used for bending and the other 2 cylinders are used for stamping. The worker can operate the upper dial down and folding and releasing by controlling foot pedal. Stable operation without power supply makes the machine an ideal and efficient device. The use of pneumatic folding machine increases productivity. The sheets are now easily deformed and workers can operate them easily and efficiently. The minimum folding angle is 60 degrees.